What's up, well, Kamani Rollins, Automotive Rhythms at the Concours at the Wynn Las Vegas. I'm here with my good friend and Head of Communications at Rolls-Royce, Gerry Spahn, and we had something particularly special today. Rolls-Royce Phantom Centenary.
So what we wanted to do was really celebrate that 100 years of Phantom, 8 generations of Phantom, the history of Rolls-Royce in a very special commission. We put together the Phantom Centenary. This is actually the original design from Spirit of Ecstasy. It's done in a 24 karat gold. And what's beautiful about it is the Spirit of Ecstasy has evolved over the past 100 years. We wanted to go back to that originality of it.
Right.
It has a lot of little touches that Rolls-Royce aficionado would know. But to celebrate that 100th anniversary, we've decided to do this in gold. And this car has a lot of gold throughout the design. It's that history of 100 years. When you look at the whole line, like if you want to look at the whole line of how the paint job's been done, Rolls-Royce is known for the two-tones, and there's a natural break on every car where to put the two-tone. The designers have really used an incredible way to draw the rear end down and pull it up, which gives this huge, powerful front end and a really tapered, sexy rear end on the Phantom Centenary on the inside.
And one more thing on the outside that's of significance. 25 rings outside the RR logo on each wheel to represent 100.
Yeah, and I love these beautiful disc wheels. We've got 25 rings on each wheel, 4 wheels, that's 100 years of Phantom.
Now with any Rolls-Royce, the inside, the interior is what really emphasizes the true technique of Rolls-Royce. So let's go inside.
Let's take a little look, and I'll give it a walk.
I mean, you talk about opulence inside this vehicle, Gerry. I mean, I'm seeing some very instrumental details that I've never seen on a Rolls-Royce before, beginning with this headliner.
Phantom Centenary is the story of 100 years of Phantom. It's a story about the rebirth of Rolls-Royce under the Goodwood era.
So this interior is taking bespoke craftsmanship to a whole new level.
This level of weaving the designs into the fiber, this is something we haven't done before. We're laser etching in here. If you look on this picnic table, that is Phantom 1. On this picnic table is Phantom 8.
Right.
All of it is the story of 100 years.
Everything.
When we look at the marquetry work around, it's a combination of marquetry, silk work, embroidery, and there's this beautiful golden thread. That golden thread is a river that is actually hand-worked gold.
Wow.
That's inlaid into the 3D marquetry. It's a very valuable commission. 25 worldwide. We have 5 clients in the US that have spoken for their 5 commissions. This one we're sitting in, we're being very careful because this is a client's car. So this this car will move off from Las Vegas and move into a collection of a West Coast collector.
Well, thanks for the time, Gerry. This is spectacular, man. I've been baptized into the world of Phantom. Thank you so much.
Cheers, Kamadi. Thanks for everything.
Absolutely.
Pleasure to share the story.